Hi friends, welcome to today's live trading campaign. So we are continuing our journey with 60 days campaign and we are almost reaching half 30 days and we are sitting at a very good decent returns of 25%, more than 25%. And it is a moment of celebration and moment of joy for everyone because back to back we are getting profits from past 3 days, and this is what everybody expect. It's like a dream for everybody who are trading in the stock market. And also let me tell you, it is not something which is permanent. It can anytime reverse, anytime losses can happen. But there are many more learnings in this live trading campaigns, and hope you're all getting the learnings. Hope it is all helping you all. If any there are a lot of updates regarding to start off with options. Yes, I have considered that also. We will be starting off with options trading also soon. So the quote for today is, it's not about working for money, it is about having money work for you. Yes. So this is the secret which many people keep telling you, many big people, many big investors, rich people keep telling you, that don't work for money, make money work for you. And we are also come into stock market so that we invest money and we generate money out of it. But in case if you want to make your money work while you're sleeping or when you're having holidays or on Sundays, then I would recommend to learn positional trading. And in case if you want to learn it in options, just want to give you an update about my options trading tactics. It's not about learning strategy, because I have told you there are thousands of strategies. You can take any common strategies, but the most important part is the tactics, the adjustments what you have to do, so that you make sure that you are in profit end of the month. So it is a 6 months program. It consists of 5 parts. So if you want details about it, you can just WhatsApp on my number 8095876525. So 6 months we'll be trading together. So whatever I'm teaching initially, we will be making sure that you'll be implementing it correctly and making sure that your money is making money for you instead of you working hard for money. Okay. So going to yesterday's live trading video, the stock selected was Sunpharma, and Sunpharma was giving a very good indication of trend, and this is the reason we went on with stock pharma based on trend. So it was not ranging, it was in a trend phase. So that is why we are going to do the breakouts, and the levels for breakout is 474 and 475. So accordingly we have to keep our target of 0.6%, and then stop loss also will be 0.4%. Okay. So let me calculate the stop loss. It comes to 1.89. Oh, it's time for my trading, today's trading. Okay, let me just quickly record this video. So here's 1.9. Yeah, and quantity, let us calculate. It is loss divided by stop loss. So it is 1000 divided by 1.9, which comes to 526. So let me update the quantity immediately. It's 526. Okay. So our buy order has been placed, and then let us immediately place the sell order as well. We don't guess the direction of the market, we just keep the trap for the market. If it is trending, it will obviously come and hit our levels, either buy or sell. That's it, we have to do, nothing else to be done. Yeah. So you can see that, wait, let me just change the sell price. Yeah. So you can see that both the orders have been placed and nothing else to be done for the day. And end of the day, yeah, the profit was 1472. So you can see the buy price and the sell price. And then let us quickly update into our Excel tracking sheet, which we keep updating always. So the stock is Sunpharma, and you can see back to back 3 days we are in continuous profit, 1472, which makes our almost returns is 15,496. So it's almost more than 25%, even if you consider brokerage as 5% also. 20% returns in almost, we can say that we're going to complete, we will be completing this in 2 months. So it's not a bad figure, it's a very good figure. And what we can see is no much tension, no much confusion, very simple, very easy, perfect money management, perfect risk reward ratio. This is what we'll be doing, nothing else. Okay friends, so any other doubts, any confusion, you can always WhatsApp on my number. Once again, I'm repeating it, it is 8095876525. Thank you and have a nice day.